Okay, maglalaro tayo ng FNAF. Oh my God. Okay. Akala ko ano nangyari, biglang nawala. Okay. Uy, hello. Ano, natigil? Natigil, sorry. Lalaruin ko ulit tong FNAF gagi. I hope hindi ma-horror tayo. Oh my gosh, natatakot ako. Wait lang. Ganito ba? Ano ba ginawa ko nun? Ganito atang screen ginamit ko. Go. Wait, taasan ko lang yung brightness. Okay. Ito na, start na. Acting yan.
There's no doubting what you've achieved on a technical level. These are clearly state-of-the-art. There are just certain design choices that were made for these robots that we don't fully understand.
Oh no, hell no.
We were hoping you could shed some light on those.
She can sing. She's equipped with built-in helium-derived inflating balloons right at her fingertips. She can take song requests. She can even dispense cruise.
With all due respect, those aren't the design choices we were curious about in this draft.
Oh no, start na. Oh no. Oh my gosh, natapos ko na pala to. Okay. Yeah, natapos ko na pero i-restart natin like shit. Oh no. Wait lang, natatakot ako. Kung may matalo ko dito. Okay.
Welcome to the first day of your exciting new career. Whether you were approached at a job fair, read our ad that screws bolts and hairpins, or if this is the result of a dare, we welcome you. I will be your personal guide to help you get started. A Model 5 of the Handyman's Robotics and Unit Repair System, but you can call me Handy Unit. Your new career promises challenge, intrigue, and endless janitorial opportunities. Please enter your name as seen above the keypad. This cannot be changed later, so please be careful. It seems that you had some trouble with the keypad. I see what you were trying to type, and I will auto-correct it for you. One moment. Welcome, Eggs Benedict.
Okay, Eggs Benedict. Okay, may jumpscare to ha, kaya dapat hindi ako matatalo dito. Para wala tayong jumpscare. Hindi lang ako ma-jumpscare dito, kayo din. Pray me. Ipag-pray niya ako na hindi maano. The freak.
You can now open the elevator using that red and up. Allow me to fill this frightening silence with some light. Due to the massive success, and even more so the unfortunate closing of Fazbear's Pizza, it was clear that the stage was set, no pun intended, for another contender in children's entertainment. Unlike most entertainment venues, our robotic entertainers are rented out for private parties during the day, and it's your job to get the robots back in proper order before the following morning. You are now in the primary control.
If nakikita niyo yung nandito sa taas, nakikita niyo yan, yung mask na yan. Tandaan niyo yan na pag once na nawala yan, then nandyan na yung kalaban. If you know, if nanonood kayo ng FNAF, kilala niyo kung sino yan. Yung clown na yan.
Press the blue button on the elevator.
Okay, saan ba? Oh.
Uh-oh. It looks like Laura doesn't feel like dancing. Let's give her some motivation. Press the red button now to administer a controlled shock. Maybe that will put the spring back in her steps. Let's
Let's check the light again. Excellent. Alora is feeling like her old self again and will be ready to perform again tomorrow. Now view the window. You're right. This is the Funtime Auditorium, where Funtime Foxy encourages kids to play and share. Try the light. Let's see what Funtime Foxy is up to.
Looks like Funtime Foxy is taking the day off. Let's motivate Funtime Foxy with a controlled shock.
Controlled shock. Okay. Nilalamig yung kamay ko. Nagsatakot ako. Kagap.
Let's try another controlled shock. Looks like Funtime Foxy is in perfect working order. Great job. In front of you is another vent shaft. Crawl through it to reach the Circus Gallery control module.
Okay. Ito na. Oh my God.
On the
On the other side of the glass is Circus Baby's auditorium. Let's check the light and see what Baby is up to. Looks like a few of the lights around, but we can fix that later. Let's encourage Baby to cheer up with a controlled shock.
Let's try another controlled shock.
RB yan, hindi. Ano to, FNAF sister location, ibang app mismo. Hindi siya Roblox.
Try another controlled shock.
Oh my gosh, ito na yung horror. Wait lang, may game dito eh. Sana manalo ako doon, gagi, kasi minsan di ko kaya laruin. Sayang, yeah. Pero pwede mo siya i-download sa Chrome if you want. I-send ko sa'yo yung link kung gusto mo.
Great job, Circus Baby. We knew we could count on you.
That concludes your duties for
First night on the job. We don't want you to leave overwhelmed. Otherwise, you might not come back. Please leave using the vent behind you, and we'll see you again tomorrow.
Okay. Ay, hindi. Wala pa pala. Hindi pa pala mag-game. Babalik pa ako. Wala pa pala yun doon. Takte niya. Nabutan ko. Hello, Marco. Hello. Bumitin ako.
Circus Gallery event.
So, kailangan ma-complete ko yung 5 nights nito. So, wala pa. Hindi pa nag-start yung game. Anong laro yan? FNAF, ano? Freddy's... Ano? Funtime... Ay, basta FNAF, ano? Sister location. Yung mga robotics.
Day, another dramatic. The lives of Lab. Where will they go? What will they do? All of that and more happening now. Clara, I tell you, the baby isn't mine.
Count, I tell you that it is. You're the only vampire I've
Sa bahay
ever
pa siya.
loved. The baby turns his bottles into powdered milk.
That doesn't mean anything.
He sleeps on the ceiling.
5 nights at Freddy, yeah. FNAF, ano? Sister location. Sister location yung ano niya.
I'm an
I can't be a father.
Well, then I'll let your child support you. Yes, yes.
Will Vlad and his distress find common ground? Tune in next time.
Hello, Megan. Ayan na. Start na naman yung ano yun. Ayun, bro. Horror.
You let the other children go, Sia. Why won't you let me go?
Lagot ka. Don't worry.
Welcome back,
for
another night of intellectual stimulation, pivotal career choices, and self-reflection on past mistakes. We're committed to creating a unique and fulfilling work experience. One part of that commitment is ensuring that you don't get tired of the voice that you're hearing right now. Using the
Using the
keypad
keypad
below,
below.
please select a new companion voice. It seems that you had some
Trouble with the keypad.
I see what you were
Hello,
trying to
Jill
hide,
Aiden.
but I will autocorrect
Ano
it
laro
for
mo
you.
ma? FNAF, sister
Thank you for
location.
choosing Angsty Teen.
XDT.
Hello, Soapy. Ipopost ko rin to sa sa YT ko. So, yeah. Sa, I already played this game before, so ulitin ko. Ayok manalo. Hindi naman siguro nakatakot yan. Actually, nakakatakot to, may jumpscare to, so sana hindi ako matalo. Kasi pag natalo ko, pares tayo mag-jumpscare dito. So, dapat hindi ako matalo. Magugulat ako, magugulat din kayo. FNAF, sister location. FNAF, sister location. Okay, night 2. Let's start the game. Basta pray nyo lang ako. Pag-pray.
The elevator stopped. You know the routine. Get out now or what? So, funny story. A dead body was found in this vent once. Okay, so not that funny, but it's a story.
Naglag yung nag-glitch yung yung nagsasalita. Gumagawa ko ng beta sa map.
Okay, let's start with your nightly chores.
Maganda po ba? Yes.
Laura and make sure she's on her stage, but whatever.
Nandyan pa yung maskara. Pag nawala yung maskara, yun yung kalaban, yung pinakakalaban.
I guess Ballora has better things to do. Let's zap her.
Wala pa,
That should
mamaya
be
pa.
fun.
Don't worry. Pumatch. Okay, na. Para
Let's check on Funtime Foxy.
Okay.
Make sure he's ready for showtime tomorrow.
nag-glitch yung umiimik.
Brilliant. Brilliant. Brilliant.
There seems to have been a problem with the voice synthesizer. Default settings have been restored. Please proceed through the vent ahead of you to Circus Baby's auditorium.
Okay, oh no. Okay. Wait, mamaya mag-warning naman ako pag nasa game na mismo. Don't worry, guys. Huwag kang magdamay. Yeah. Magsasabi ako, don't worry. Basta ipagdasal niya lang ako, hindi ako makaan mamaya, gagstop. What the freak? Nakabahan din ako eh.
Circus Baby had a busy day today. Let's check the light and make sure she's in proper working order.
Okay. May tutulong sa atin mamaya, may imik na babae.
Smart here to play hide and seek. Let's encourage Baby to come out of hiding with a controlled shot.
Let's try another controlled shot.
Walang tamayan ngayon.
There seems to be a power
Okay,
malfunction
ayun na.
that is affecting our ability to properly motivate Baby. Please stand by while I reboot the system.
Hello,
I will be
Sophia.
offline momentarily during this process.
Okay.
Various other systems may be offline as well, such as security doors, vent locks, and oxygen. Commencing system restart.
Okay. Chill lang kayo. May mag-iimik dyan. Wait lang. Tutulong yan. Mabait yan. Yung babae.
Funtime Auditorium. Sync opened.
Visit, pinatayin tayo ng ilaw. Labit lang.
Motion trigger. Technician.
Nilalamig kamay ko, gago. Wait. Ayan na.
I don't recognize you. You are new. I remember this scenario. However, it's a strange thing to want to do, to come here. I'm curious what events would lead a person to want to spend their nights in a place like this. Like, maybe curiosity, maybe ignorance. There is a space under the desk. Someone before you crafted it into a hiding place, and it worked for him. I recommend that you hurry, though. You will be safe there, Just try not to make eye contact. It will be over soon. We'll lose interest.
Okay guys, brace yourself. Ito na. Ang gagawin ko lang dito is ilalak ko yung vent. Dapat ilak lang. Okay. Okay. Lock the vent. Lock the vent, bro. Bro, fucking shit. Dali mo. Bro, grabe. Like shit. Uy, ba't ang ayaw mag-grab, boy? Takte, dali mo. Uy. Okay, ito yung ayaw na ayaw ko. Baka may mamatay ko. Okay. Pray for me. Pray for me, guys. Oh, shoot. Okay. Freak, huwag kang maglalag. Hinayupak ka. Sinasabi ko sa'yo. Guys. Naan ko yung sound. Putik kang YouTube ka. Wait lang guys ha. Focus on the game. Akin yung shit. Wait lang guys. Nakabahan ako. Oh no, hell no. The ice, bro. Good luck, yeah. Oh! Uy, gago! Hala! Oh no, patay! Wait, babaguhin ko yung ano. Sabi ko na ay mali yung ano. Wait lang, baguhin ko yung ano, back ko. Ala, mali nga yung ano ko, mali yung aking ano, may mali dun sa ano. Wait lang, baguhin ko yung ano ko. Tabi na nga ba, mali yung ano. Pwede kong, wait lang. Ito, mali yung aking ano. Ito, mali yung ano ko. Did you see this? Display mode, dapat finol ko. Wait, may nag-chat. Dapat finol ko. O, sige. Hindi na mauulit yon. I promise, guys. Di na maulit yon. Binago ko yung display mode. Sabi na nga ba mali? Dapat finol ko pala yun. Patay na yan. Hindi nag-click. Nakakairita. Dapat mag-live ako nanood na ng live.
Welcome back for another
Ulit tuloy.
intellectual stimulation, pivotal career choices, and self-reflection on past mistakes. We're committed to creating a unique and fulfilling work experience.
Hindi na mangyari yun kasi binago ko yung mode. Dapat isarado ko yun eh. Papasok kasi yung yung ano, yung mga baby na yun. Yung parang tiyanak. Ay, bagay, mali ako nang ginawa. Sorry.
Press 2. For text only, press 3. For other options, press 4.
Skip natin,
It seems that
skip.
you've had some trouble with the keypad. I see what you were trying to type, and I will autocorrect it for you. Thank you for choosing.
Sorry guys, namatay ako. First game pa lang, sabi na nga ba mamatay ako eh. Namatay din ako nung nakaraan dyan eh. Kainis kasi, animayan. Ulit tuloy. Start pa lang yun ha. Pakling yan. Namatay agad. Dang bro. Oh no, ako yung cellphone. Okay, night 2.
The elevator stopped. You know the routine. Get out now or... So, funny story. A dead body was found in this vent once. Okay, so, not that funny, but it's a story. Okay, let's start with your nightly chores.
Ay, di na ako pinapansin ni Mother. Sorry guys.
Make sure she's on her stage, but whatever.
Sorry. Ano ba yung kinoment mo? Ma, huwag kang mag-join sa live ko. Makita mo ko sino wallpaper ko. Bakit?
I guess Ballora has better things to do.
Mali kasi yung ano ko. Hindi na-click. Ba't
That should
ganun?
be fun.
Hindi na-click yung aking ano. Naiirita ako. Oh my gosh. Ano na? Bro, first pa lang namatay na agad. What the heck? Uy, yung nag-join sa live ko, awag mo niya sabihin kasi sino.
Let's check on Funtime Foxy. Make sure he's ready for showtime tomorrow.
Great. Great.
Okay.
Great. There seems to have been a problem with the voice synthesizer. Default settings have been restored. Please proceed through the vent ahead of you to Circus Baby's auditorium.
Okay. Huwag kang magkukok ulit. Huwag kang magkukok ulit. Buti di ako masyado nagulat. Nilayo ko yung cellphone ko. Nilayo ko yung cellphone ko. Natatakot ako eh. Natatakot pa rin ako sa game na to. Yung jumpscare kasi.
Circus Baby had a busy day today.
Hello,
Let's check the
Rightos.
light and make sure she's in proper working order.
Sana di ko makita. Diyan na yan magsisimula. Yeah, dito na. Start na yung game.
Oh,
Circus Baby.
We aren't here to play hide and seek. Let's encourage Baby to come out of hiding with a controlled shock. Let's try another controlled shock.
Bigla mo na tapos cellphone mo. No.
Affecting our ability to properly motivate Baby. Please stand by while I reboot the system. I will be offline momentarily during this process.
Tutulungan tayo nung babae. Yung nagsasalita.
Such as security doors, vent locks, and oxygen. Commencing system restart.
Okay, yan na. Oh my gosh, dang bro.
Auditorium maintenance vent open. Floor gallery maintenance vent open.
Lapit na, yaya.
Motion trigger. Take
Huwag lang ako makook, please. Kailangan ko isarado yung yung vent, yung if nakita niya yung
I
parang
don't recognize
yero, kailangan ko
you.
isarado yun.
You are new. I remember this scenario. However, it's a strange thing to want to do, to come here. I'm curious what events would lead a person to want to spend their nights in a place like this willingly. Maybe curiosity, maybe ignorance. There is a space under the desk. Someone before you crafted it into a hiding place, and it worked for him. I recommend that you hurry, though. You will be safe there. Just try not to make eye contact. It will be over soon. They will lose interest.
Okay, guys. Ito na. Brace yourself. Okay. Kiklik ko na yung baba, ha? Okay, bro. Bullshit. Ayun, naklik ko na siya. Ito yung hindi ko maklik kanina. Nakakaasar. Hindi ko maklik. Bullshit. Okay. Pag nagugulat ka ba natatapon mo cellphone mo? Hindi po. Nilalayo ko yung camera ko kasi alam ko may jump scare. Camera ko cellphone. Okay. I'm gonna stop talking na. I'm gonna focus on this. Pag may sumilip dito. Bro, I'm telling you. Hindi ako yun. Same person. Iba to. Ibang trabador to. Okay. Boy, putik. Okay. Bro, I'm telling you, bro. Please, stop it. Okay. Wait lang. Meron pa. No. Please lang. Patapusin niyo ako sa level na to. I'm begging you, bro. Begging you, bro. Cheat, please, no, 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 please. Okay, finish. Uy, sarado mo, tanga. Okay, tapos na tayo. Oh, thank you. Okay, finish. Oh my gosh.
When your guide
Oh my
comes
God.
back online,
Okay,
he
okay.
is going to tell you that he was unsuccessful, that you must
Congrats
restart
me.
the
Thank you,
system
everyone. Thank you sa
manually.
pag-pray.
He will then tell you to crawl through Ballora Gallery
Okay.
as fast as you can to reach the breaker room.
Okay.
If you follow his instructions, you will die. Ballora will not return to her state anymore. She will catch you. The power will be restored shortly. When you crawl through Ballora Gallery, go slowly. She cannot see you and can only listen for your movement.
Okay.
When you hear her music, she is growing near, listening for you. Wait. Be still.
Okay.
Thank you for your patience.
Pakikinggan natin yung sinabi ng babae. Huwag daw tayo
Restarted
magmadali.
automatically.
Pag pumunta tayo sa Ballora Gallery.
Power system manually. Please return to the primary control module.
Okay. Sabi niya, wag daw, mabilis. Mamaya. Ano name ng game? FNAF Sister Location. May bayad siya sa Play Store, so I download it on sa Chrome. Okay, bro.
Now be required to crawl through the Ballora Gallery using the vent to your left to reach
Okay.
the breaker room.
Ayan na, ayan
It
na.
is recommended that you stay low to the ground and reach the other side as fast as possible as to not disturb Ballora. I will deactivate myself momentarily as to not create an auditory disturbance. Deactivating.
Okay, another game guys. Be ready. Be ready. Wait, lalakasan ko yung sound. I need to, focus dito. Ang sabi ni, ni baby, wag daw, mabilis. Papakinggan natin. So, yeah. Okay. Go. Start. Okay. Okay guys. Let's focus on the game. Lakasan ko. Ayan. Hindi pwede mabilis. Pag may sound, if naririnig niyo yung sound, nasa malapit siya, si Ballora. So, kailangan pakinggan maigi. Okay, go. Okay. Basta stop lang pag pag malapit siya. Ayan, yan. Stop. Wait lang. Please, lumayo ka par. Okay, go. Up. Wala, andyan siya. Hindi niya ako nilulubayan. Shit. Hindi ko naririnig yung sound. What the fuck? Okay, nasa kabila siya. Safe tayo dito, basta stop lang pag may music. Bro.
It seems you are taking a long time. Please proceed as quickly
Buisit.
as quietly as possible.
Gulat ako. Buisit na umimik yan. Ang lapit ng tenga ko sa cellphone. Kainis. Wait. Oh, shit. Hindi ko marinig kasi yung sound ni Balore. Wait lang. Oh, hell na. Sa harap lang. Oh, no. She literally nandyan. Nandyan. Wait. Ang sakit ng dibdib ko. Yawa. Oshi. Wait. Di ko marinig. Nagmura, sorry. Bro, pali-pali bro. Malapit na ako sa pintuan bro. Wait, wala ko marinig. Ang ingay sa labas. Oshi, ang lapit lang. Okay, pali-pali. Go enter bro. Layo pa ba? Hello Hello sa inyo. Focus ako sa game. Pasensya na. Oh shit, ang lapit lang niya. Oh shit. Okay. Another game. Ayun naman
You may
siya.
now interface with the breaker control box. Using the
Ang nilalaro ko is FNAF Sister Location.
electronics. If you feel you are in danger, feel free to disconnect the interface temporarily until it is safe to reconnect.
Okay. Safe to guys. Madali lang tong game na to. Babantayan ko lang si Bonnie. If you know this one, I think kinosplay to ni Miss Ma'am. So, horror to. Yes, horror. It's a horror game. Okay. So, tirayanin natin ng 100. Bilis-bilisan lang natin. Shit. Nasaan na siya? Wait lang guys. Bak, dali. Putik. Maya ko muna basahin comments nyo ha. Wait lang. Mamamatay tayo dito. Damay-damay to. Hindi pwede magtagal sa monitor kasi lalapit siya. Kaya nakikita niyo yung ginagawa natin so hindi pwede. Hindi pwede tayo sa monitor. That's why, piniplay ko if nakikita niyo yung playing audio dito sa gilid, kailangan i-click yan para bumalik siya sa place. Okay. Basta pag nandyan siya sa place niya, safe yan. Oh shit. Walang damayan, so yeah. Oh well, napit. Balik. Balik par. Done. Tatlo pa. Ay, apat pa. Takting yan. Ang dami pa. Ready. No, it's Bonnie. Si Bonnie yan. Yeah. Shit. Dali. Bilis-bilis mo magba. Done. Tatlo. Shit. Balik ka par. Balik. Oh, him, bro. Okay, tatlo. Oh, no. Wait lang. Uy, wala ka, nasan ka? Nasan ka, par? Putik. Kita nakita. Oh, wala ka. Ang agresibo niya na. Uy, balik, par. Bro, balik. Bro, balik, par. Patay. Agresibo na. Dang, bro. Bro, alis, par. Shit, bumababa yung yung ginagawa ko. Bumababa siya. Shit. Yung sound kasi nakakatakot. Oh, no. Ito na siya. Oh, bro. Lubayan mo ko, bro. Hindi ko matapos yung task. No. Bumababa yung yung ginawa ko. Teka. Bumababa, oh. Yung percent. Ito na siya. Bumababa yung ginagawa ko. Hindi ko matapos, bro. Lubayan mo ako. Dala mo. Yeah, isa na lang. Dang. Last one, malapit na ako par.
Great job. This completes your tasks for the night.
Congrats.
Please proceed back through the Ballora Gallery with care, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.
Okay. Wala na ako anuhin dito, I think. I think hindi ko napapakinggan yung ano. So, let's just lakad lang tayo. Hello, kay Damian niya. Hindi ko sure kung may manggugulat dito, pero alam ko wala. Brace yourself, guys. Ilayo niyo yung cellphone nyo, if ever. Wait. Narinig niya ba? Someone there daw, sabi niya. Brace yourself, guys. I don't think so. Wait, ano dito? Okay. Okay. Okay ba? Continue. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. Nag-chat si ano. Sorry. Sorry. Di na-reply agad. Bro, brace yourself. Ilayo niyo yung phone niyo. Baka may magugulak. Di ko sure. Hindi, maniwala ka sa sarili mo. Hindi ko lang alam. Okay, brace yourself, guys. Nalalayo ko yung cellphone ko. Okay. Uy. Talagang kinongratulate sa sarili. What the shit? Okay.
As the sun sets, so also does another chapter
Ito
in
na
the
naman
saga
tayo.
of love lost between Vlad and his distressed mistress. Can they be reconciled? Can their love rise again? That and more happening now.
Nanonood tayo.
The baby isn't mine.
It is Vlad. They had trouble catching him in the nursery today.
Forward! Lots of heat. Get hyper and run around and stuff.
They had to knock him out of the air with a broom.
I have to go.
They're going to dock your paycheck.
Daming popcorn niya.
Can't do that. I'm a vampire. I don't need paychecks.
You work the graveyard shift at the Fry Me Taco. Don't lie to me.
Oh, the humanity. When will the heartbreak end? When will these two ships passing in the night rekindle their long-lost love? Tune in tomorrow to find out.
Sana all nanonood. Kaya nga eh. Okay. Another ship na naman, par.
Daddy, just once let me go play with her. She's so pretty and shiny. Didn't you make her just for me?
Welcome back to another pivotal night of your thriving new career, where you get to really ask yourself, what am I doing with my life? What would my friends say? And most importantly, will I ever see my family again? We understand the stresses of a new job, and we're here for you. To help you reach a more stable and relaxing frame of mind, we offer several musical selections to help make this elevator ride as relaxing and therapeutic as possible. We offer contemporary jazz, classical, rainforest ambiance, as well as a wide selection of other choices.
Ay, go. Okay na ba?
Using the keypad below, please type the
Nalipad.
first few letters of
Sana
the
all
musical
three times.
selection you would prefer. It seems you had some trouble with the keypad. I see what you were trying to type.
Sana
and I
makaligtas
will
ka sa
autocorrect
pangalawang
it
ship
for
mo.
you. Thank
Anong
you for
ship mo?
selecting Casual Bongos. Now that you're elevator experience has been customized to your needs and you're thoroughly relaxed. It's worth mentioning that due to your lackluster performance yesterday, your pay has been decreased by a substantial amount. Please enjoy the rest of your descent.
Okay. Hindi ko lang alam. I think si Foxy yung pupuntahan natin, yung isang wolf. If kilala nyo sa FNAF. The pink one. The pink one.
Due to unforeseen malfunctions from today's shows, your nightly duties will require you to perform maintenance that you may or may not be skilled enough to perform. It became necessary for technicians to attempt to
Tatlo na pala
disconnect
yan. May
Funtime
crew na.
Freddy's power module. However, they were unsuccessful. Allowing them to try again would be an inefficient path forward, as we would need to allow 6 to 8 weeks for recovery and physical therapy. You will need to reach the parts and service room on the other side of Funtime Auditorium to perform the procedure yourself. Let's check on Ballora first and make sure she's on her stage.
Hello.
Great. It looks like everything is as it should be. And
Watak-watak si Balura.
let's check on Funtime Foxy. It's important to make sure she's on her stage before entering.
Wala siya.
Great. It looks like everything is as it should be in Funtime Auditorium. There is no need to check on Baby tonight. Please refrain from entering unauthorized areas. Proceed directly to Funtime Auditorium.
Okay. Okay, what should we gonna do? Ang gagawin natin is iilawan siya. So, if nasa harap natin siya, hindi tayo magpo-proceed. Like, stay lang. Okay. Yan.
Unlike Ballora, Funtime Foxy is motion activated. For this reason, it's important to keep the room dark, as to not accidentally activate her. You have been provided with a flash beacon.
Nakikita niya, nasa gilid siya.
And to ensure
Ayan.
you don't bump into anything. However, use it as sparingly as possible. Proceed forward to reach the parts and service room.
Okay. Hindi tayo pwedeng gumalaw pagka nandyan siya sa harap natin. Shit. Oh, no. Wait, bro. Oh. Oh, lapit mo sana. Huwag ka lumapit, puti ka. Bro, I'm telling you. Oy. Palapit, loko. Look. Wait lang. Lakas amat ito ah. Nangi-sneak ka, bro. Sa gilid ka pa. Angas mo yan. Oh, magpo-proceed na sana ako eh. Wait. May inaasar ka pa, yeah. Kaya nga eh. Nakangiti yan eh. Oh no. Uy. Leave me alone. Wait lang. Wait lang guys. Hindi mo na ako magbasa ng comsec. Paldo tayo dito. Ulit tayo sa ano, night 3. Boo. Hello, Kuya Jay. Uy. Ay, naglalaro ako ng FNAP. Okay. Okay. Ito na naman yung mahirap.
Great job reaching parts and service. It seems that Funtime Freddy is out of power, which should make your job much easier. The release switch for the chest cavity is located on the underside of the
Gulat ka na,
endoskeleton
yeah.
jaw. To reach it, we will first need to open the faceplates. You will need to press the faceplate release triggers in a specific order, and it's
Okay.
important to be as precise and as careful as possible. Locate the small button on Freddy's face, just under his right cheek, and press it.
Just under his right cheek? Right cheek? What do you mean? Right cheek, is it to? Ano, hindi mali.
Great.
Ay,
Now
okay.
locate the button under his left cheek and press it.
Left cheek, press it. What do you mean? To? Oh, hell no. Mali.
Great. Now
Okay.
carefully locate and press the button next to Freddy's right eye.
Right eye. Bro, what do you mean right eye? Wait lang. Ito ba? Nasa taas? Wait, baka mamali ako.
Great. Now
Okay.
carefully locate and press the button just above Freddy's nose.
Freddy's nose. Okay.
Good job. The faceplates should now be open. Press the small button on the underside of Freddy's endoskeleton jaw.
Endoskeleton. What do you mean? Ito ba? Okay.
Excellent. The chest cavity should now be open. Remove the power module from the chest cavity.
Okay.
Great work.
Oh no,
You will
nawala
now
siya.
be required to remove the
Oh
secondary
my God,
power
hanapin
module
natin
from
si
the
ano.
Bonnie hand puppet. Press the large black button beneath Bonnie's bow tie to release the power module.
Wala, hanapin natin si Bonbon. Gagi, si Bonbon. Where are you, Bonbon? Nagtatago yun. Wait lang. Chill, bro. Ayun. Wait. Then we click. I-click ko yung itim na yun. Yes, napindot
Great
na.
job. You acquired both power modules. This completes your task for the
Okay.
night. Please exit the building through Funtime Auditorium, and we'll see you back here again tomorrow.
Hello, Tokyo. Wait lang. Okay na. Start na ba? I think may manggugulat dito, so brace yourself. Wait lang. Ano yung nahulog? Ano yung nahulog niya? Ayan. Okay. Brace yourself, guys. Okay, brace yourself. Go back. Let's go back. Uy. Oh, shit. Eto na. May manggugulat dito. Pakiramdam ko eh. May manggugulat dito, promise. Nilalayo ko na cellphone ko. Brace yourself. Wait lang, nahuhulog yung ano ko. Wait lang. Okay, wait. Sabi ko, brace yourself ha. May manggugulat dyan. I promise. Uy. Hindi. Part talaga yon. Part yon ng game. Hindi ako natalo. It's part of the game.
Dad, she can make balloons.
It's part of the game. Nananadya si ganon.
Dad, let's go to her.
Tatapon ko na sipi ko sa basurahan. Oh, wala. Ito yung mahirap. Oh no, mahirap to.
Be still.
Babaguhin ko yung ano nito. Babaguhin ko yung camera, hindi pwede ganito.
You've been sleeping for quite a while. I think they noticed that you never left the building last night.
Hello, Caitlyn. Babaguhin ko yung ano niya, yung hindi dapat naka-full yung ano nito, video.
I have you hidden too well.
Okay, back. Wait. Nakasave na to. Night 4 na eh. Wait, iba ko lang guys ha. Ulitin ko yung game. Okay, ulitin ko. Babaguhin ko yung ano, yung ganon. Mahirap yun, yung part na yun. Hindi pwedeng full yung ano niya. Hindi pwedeng full yung kanyang ano. Yan, ibalik natin sa ganyan. Maliit. Okay. Sumasakit yung dibdib ko.
Make balloons. Have you seen her make balloons? Daddy, let's go to her.
Gagi na tayo po.
Shh. Be still. Quiet. You've been sleeping for quite a while. I think they noticed that you never left the building last night. The cameras were searching for you. I have you hidden too well. I kidnapped you.
Okay, I kidnap you daw. Kinidnap niya tayo. Grabe, ang galing. Anong magaling? Ayan na, naka-headset na ako para ako lang. Walang jumpscare dito, basta
Don't be afraid.
tama yung ano, mabilis lang dapat.
To hurt you.
Mabilis ang kamay ko dito dapat.
I'm only going to keep you for a little while. Try not to wiggle, though. You're inside something
Thank you,
that came
Tokyo.
from my old
Actually,
pizzeria.
nalaro ko na to ilang beses, pero
I
natatalo
don't
pa din.
think it was ever used. At least not the way it was meant to be used.
Pakinggan natin sasabihin ni ano, ni Baby. Si ano yan eh, si Baby yan, Baby Circus. Tinutulungan niya tayo.
Person. But just barely. In the scooping room. Do you know why they call it a scooping room? It's because, dummy, this is the room where they use the scooper. I thought that would be obvious. Isn't that a fun name for something? A scooper. It sounds like something you would use for ice cream, or custard, or sprinkles. It sounds like something you would want at your birthday party to ensure that you get a heaping portion of every good thing. I wonder, though, if you were a freshly opened pint of ice cream, how you would feel about
Mamaya na ako sisigaw dyan, kikiligin mo na ako sa anime. Go!
Thankfully, I don't think a freshly opened pint of ice cream feels anything at all. It sounds like someone else is in the building. Shh.
Okay, wag daw maingay, quiet.
Forward. One. More. Okay, stop. Set it down. Watch the step. What happened to it this time? Just seems like these things can't go a day without breaking down. Who knows?
Oh no, may sisirain sila. May sisirain silang robot. What the heck?
Well, they have to be. And this place gives me the creeps. We just get this over with. It's all automated. We don't have to be. Just get her on the roller and see where we can go.
Okay. Ala, may sisirain sila. Sino kaya to? Let's see. Okay, hinaan natin medyo malakas. Sino kaya to? Sisirain nila. Let's see. Oh no! Si Balora! Oh no! Oh no! No, it's not. Si Balora. Si Balora. Yung yung ballerina na maganda. Oh, oh no, cutie. Oh no.
There's something very important that I've learned how to do over time. Do you know what that is? How to pretend. Do you ever play make-believe? Pretend to be one way when you are really the other. It's very important. But Laura never learns. But I do. There's something wrong on the inside. The only thing that matters is knowing how to
Oh, pretend daw kasi. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, sinira na siya, boy. Okay, okay.
open the faceplate.
Oh, let's start the game, boy.
That way they can find you on the cameras.
Okay.
You have to do is wait.
Okay, guys. Simulan na.
I'd recommend that you keep the spring locks wound up. Your breathing and your heartbeat are causing them
Nakikita niyo
to
tong bilog na
loose.
kiniklik ko?
Want them to
Kailangan
get too
nakataas yan.
loose.
Pag bumaba yan, patay tayo. Manggugulat. So, diyan muna kayo, guys. Focus muna ako dito. Oh, no. Oh, ayan na. Nakikita niyo yan, yung maliit. Bro. Oh my gosh, mamamatay ako dito, I think. Bro, mamamatay ako dito. Ang bagal ng kamay ko. Oh no. May kasi. Hindi, ang bagal ng kamay ko. Dapat mabilis masyado dito. Hindi pwede na napababa to, yung mga bilog na kiniklik ko. Okay. And dapat hindi makapasok yung nakikita yung parang, yan to. Yan, hindi dapat makapasok sila sa loob ng ano ko. Oh shit, makapasok! Oh no, may nakapasok, bro! Oh, bro! Bye-bye. Oh, hell na. Patay tayo. Bro, patay tayo. May nakapasok. What the freak? Oh no, nakapasok sila, bro. Oh, am I supposed to do? The walk? Okay, ulit.
I'll open the faceplates for you. That way they can find you on the cameras. Now all you have to do is wait. I'd recommend that you keep the spring locks wound up. Your breathing and your heartbeat are causing them to come loose. You don't want them to get too loose. Trust me.
Visit kasi yung pag may nakapasok ng isa pa tayo. Papasok na silang lahat. So that walang makapasok na isa. Uy, wiggle. Umayos ka par. Ang problema, pag winiggle ko, bumababa din tong bito. Ito yung ayaw ko. Hate na hate ko tong game. Ito yung pinakamahirap sa lahat eh. Mga galamay kasi ni Balora to eh. Bro, ano? What the freak? Bakit sila nakapasok? Gago! na ako pinapasok? Wait, focus on daan. Focus na lang dito. Focus na lang dito sa bilog. I think, okay lang siguro kahit may pumasok. Basta focus sa bilog. Focus sa bilog, I think. Hindi ko lang alam kung ano mangyayari. Ba't ang dami pumasok, bro? Focus sa bilog, focus. I think okay lang. Okay lang siguro. Basta wag lang mag-red itong bilog. Hell na. Nagre-red na. Oh no. Tapos kita inumahe, guys. Oh no. No. Please. I don't want to die. Bro, yung gilid. Pali. Patay tayo. Ang hirap. Anong gagawin ko doon? Because this is the first time na ako. Namatay ako ng 2 beses dito. Wait. What the? Anong gagawin ko? Wait guys, pag-iisipan ko muna. I think bukas ko na lang i-continue. Ang hirap. Bukas na. Bukas ko na i-continue pa. Okay guys, please tignan mo repost ko. Sige, titignan ko. Bye everyone. Ano yung username mo? Flowery1797. Okay. Bye guys. Good night. Ang hirap.